Welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I am Amit and I hope you all are well and good. In this video, I will discuss the latest revised syllabus of computer science for class 12. As we all know that the CBSE board had reduced the syllabus of class 9 to 12 by 30%. So, we are discussing the same for the subject of computer science for the academics year 2020 and 21. There are three units left behind. The first unit is Computational Thinking and Programming Part 2, in which we will have to learn Chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9, and 10 of Sumita Arora book, that is Computer Science with Python, and the total marks allocated to this unit is 40. Then we will have to learn Unit 2, that is Computer Network, which contains chapter 11, 12, and 17. The chapter 17 is Society, Law and Ethics, which was earlier named as Unit 4, but now it is added in Unit 2, and the total marks allocated to this unit is 10. Finally, the Unit 3, Database Management, in which we will have to learn Chapter 13, 14, and 16, which have allocated marks 20. Now we will see unit wise in details. In Unit 1, we will have to learn two chapters. The first two chapters of the book, that is Python Revision Tour 1 and Python Revision Tour 2, in which we have to revise the basics of class 11th, Python basics. Then we will learn chapter 3, Working with Function, in which we will learn function, scope, passing parameter, mutable, immutable property of data object, passing string, list, tuple, dictionaries to function, default parameters, positional parameter, return value, functions using libraries, mathematical and string function. Then we will learn chapter 4 using Python libraries, in which we will only have to learn how to import libraries. Not the whole syllabus is to be taught or to be read, only how to import the Python libraries we have to learn. Then we will have to learn chapter 5, that is file handling, in which we have to learn need of data file, different types of file, binary, text and CSV. We will have to learn basic operations on text file, standard input, output and error stream, relative and absolute part. We will have to learn about binary files, its basic operation. Then we will have to learn CSV file and its basic operation, and two methods, that is csv.reader and csv.writeRow functions. Then we will have to learn chapter 9 and 10, that is data structure 1 and data structure 2, in which we have to learn only the stack part. No queue part we have to learn because it is reduced from the syllabus, in which in data structure we have to learn only list and stack, push pop using a list. Then moving forward to unit 2, that is computer network, in which we have to learn complete chapter 11, that is computer network 1, in which we will have to learn about ARPANET, internet, different switching techniques, data communication technologies, different transmission media, in which we have to learn two-state pair cable, coaxial cable, OFC infrared, radio link, microwave link, satellite communication and all. Then moving forward, we have to learn about networking devices, various network topologies, which is not in the book now. We have to refer from the old book. Network protocols, TCP/IP, FTP, HTTP, SMTP, and all. Then we have to learn remote login, telnet, wireless and mobile communication protocols. Mobile processor, we have to learn email protocols, in which we have to cover SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, POP3, Post Office version 3. Then we have to learn protocols used for video conferencing and chat. And the next part is from chapter 17, that is society, law and ethics, in which we have to learn network security concept, threats, prevention from viruses, worms, trojan, host spam using cookies, protection using firewalls, India IT Act, cyber law, cyber crime, IPR issues, hacking, and we have to introduce the syllabus with web services, different types of web services available. Then moving on, the unit 3, that is database management, in which we have to cover chapter 13, MySQL revision 2 or 1, in which we have to learn database concepts, relational database model, structured query language, different types of data used in database management system, various SQL commands, SQL functions, which are under chapter 14, that is more on SQL. Then we have to learn about joins, and finally the chapter 16, interface Python with SQL, MySQL, in which we have to connect SQL with Python, create a database connectivity application, perform various operations like insert, update, delete using Python program, and use various functions like fetch one, fetch all, row count, and etc. That's all for the syllabus. That is the theory part, and rest, the practical part, will be discussed later. Hope. Thanks for watching my video.